Attention roofing contractors. This video, we're going to go over how to see what customers actually care about when they're considering a new roof or roof repair. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Google, and this is a little hack that's really easy. If you want to see what people are searching about, you're going to look here. So let's type in new roof, and you can see Google automatically puts these things up here that tell you what people are looking for. So somebody who types in new roof, they're looking at installation cost estimate. They're looking for contractors, financing, price, leaking, cost, calculator, shingles. Now you'll also find new, if you start typing some of these in, roofing, contractor, near me is a big thing. Roofing supply near me, roofing contractors near me. So if you type that in, you come down to the bottom, you'll also see a list of things that you can do. So you want to kind of take a mental inventory of what it is that people are looking for. So that's an easy way to look at it, but let's look at an advanced way to do that. And to do that, we're going to type in answerthepublic.com. Just type in answer the public and it'll show up. Answer the public. And you're going to come over here. You only get a certain amount of searches per day. I think it's 4. And let's go here. And we're going to type in roofing, new roof is what we're going to type in. And what happens is really cool because they're going to pull all this data from all over the internet, from what people are searching, what people are talking about, and they put together a ridiculous amount of stuff that you can look at very, very quickly. They present it in this wheel format. So they're basically showing you, they're asking all these questions: when to put a new roof on, when new roof. So they're asking all this stuff. This is not the easiest way to look at it. Let's look at it through the data view. Now we have, does new roof increase home value? Does new roof affect appraisal? Does new roof add value to home? Think about who is asking these questions. Does a new roof increase home value? Somebody, or does a new roof affect appraisal? These are things that somebody who's either going to refinance or they're going to sell their home, that's something that they care about. And so if you're talking with a homeowner, you could say, look, are you going to sell the house anytime soon? Or are you going to try to refinance anytime soon? If so, then, a new roof can increase the home value. If it does, I'm not sure if it does or not. But if that's the case, then that's something that homeowner might care about. And it's a way for you to sell something to that new homeowner. So this is really important. This stuff is also really important if you're doing Google advertising. If you're doing Google ads, I would not recommend that you start there because that's kind of like the hardest place to start. It's very time consuming and you really, really need to work on it. There's a lot easier ways to advertise for local business and generate your own leads. So you don't have to deal with Home Advisor or Yelp or Angie's List, anything like that. You can generate your own leads very, very easily. And I'm going to show you kind of how to do that in another video. But here's what you want to take from this. People are concerned about their home value. That's something to pay attention to. Now, can a new roof be claimed on taxes? I don't know. Tax deduction. There's more tax stuff. And I've also seen a lot of insurance stuff. So a lot of people will say they're interested in insurance. And I don't know. I know if you have damage from hail, maybe insurance might be something there. But these are things that you want to talk to people about and when you're trying to sell them. The other thing I've noticed is, how much is a new roof for 1,500 square feet? How much is a new roof for 1,200 square feet? You may want to consider putting things like that on your website just to give people an idea. Cost is always an issue that people are looking at. And here's again, how much does a new roof cost? What does a new roof cost? What does a new roof include? What does it consist of? Cost. So insurance is a big thing. When will insurance cover a new roof? When does insurance cover a new roof? When to put a new roof on? These are all things that you can actually create content about as well. So if we keep going down, here's another one. Increase appraisal. Will it add value to the home? Will it save energy? Will it lower my insurance? There's all these different things that you can look at and different things that you can talk to a customer about. So I'm going to go down here. Now they put in different prepositions. So need new roof, can't afford. Need new roof, but can't afford. We wouldn't want to target those. And here's something interesting. New roof for Mazda MX-5. New roof for MR2 Roadster. If you're doing paid ads and you're just putting in new roof as your keyword, you might be putting your ad for roofing in front of people who are looking for car roof replacements. So that's something to keep in mind. Porsche Boxster is in here, Caravan. So these are all different ways that people are looking for stuff, and you would not want to show your ads to those people. How to put a new roof on. Is it tax deductible? So taxes seems to be a good place. I've also seen some stuff about garages. So new garage roof near me. You might want to, maybe you could even specialize in doing garages. You could target those keywords if you wanted to do pay-per-click. Again, I would not suggest you start there. That's for an established business. And another thing that I want to stress is a lot of you are doing this wrong, because when you're doing your pay-per-click, you're sending people to your website. And that is the worst thing that you can do. You are basically just setting money on fire at that point. So you want to have a special page that you send people to. I go over that in other trainings. Let's see. New roof with bad credit, new roof on insurance, new roof for camper, new roof on garage. So I'm seeing a lot of garage stuff, which is interesting. Now let's come down here and let's look at comparison. New roof and solar panels, new roof and gutters. So you may want to talk to people about gutters, because they're obviously lumping these two together. Also solar panels. Solar panels are new roof and solar at the same time. New roof and homeowners, solar tax credit, new roof and siding costs. So maybe you want to talk to people about doing siding with their roof, or maybe you want to talk to them about getting solar panels installed if you provide that service. And we have new roof versus old roof, new roof versus new shingles. And then down here, we get an alphabetical list of things that people who type in new roof are looking for. New roof average cost, new roof and solar panels, new roof and gutters cost. So these are all really good keywords if you're doing pay-per-click. And if not, I actually put together a guide on how you can target homeowners, and you can basically advertise your roofing business in a radius around your, wherever you want, really. And so let's say you want to target a 20-mile radius around your business or your area. If you have an area that you're working on, then I put together a guide to show you how to target homeowners. It'll be somewhere around this video. It's free. Go ahead and download it and see how easy it is to actually just target homeowners in your area based off of some of these different things as well. Sometimes you can target people who just moved in. You can target people who just moved, who might be inclined to sell or move, because they might care about appraisals and things like that. So check out that guide. Let's see, new roof expense, energy tax credit. So people care about the taxes. They care about their insurance. They care about the value of their home. And these are all things that you should be talking to them about when you are trying to sell them, because they might care about it. And it's a real simple question. Have you asked your accountant if you can depreciate the roof? Or do you think you can get would you be interested in an energy tax credit? Here's how you do that. Things like that will set you apart from your competition. So answerthepublic.com, you can use all different kinds of seed words and you'll get different responses. So if I come up here and I want to do a new search, I'll see if I have any left today. And if I do, I'll do one real quick for roof repair. Let's see if I have one. Oh, I reached my limit for the day. So go ahead, try it out. It's a really, really good way to get more information for selling better to your prospects and helping your customers understand the benefits of a roof a little bit better. Download the guide. I'll show you exactly how to target homeowners in your area. All right. Until another video, I will see you later.